Hello, it is us. Devin, hashtag Lindy, hashtag fridge. We're gonna be doing what's in our fridge. So, you might want to know that there's a lot of beer and liquor and
We're
vodka.
on vacation. It's not actually our fridge.
Okay, this is our fridge.
The vacation.
This is what's in it. Okay, so we got Shine. Go. Okay, got Coca-Cola down at the bottom.
Devin likes saying gay.
Whatever this is.
Some wine.
Some wine.
That was already here though. That's not ours.
This is ours. Got some Nesquik. Just regular sauces, barbecue sauce, all that. Jalapenos. Whatever this is. Ketchup. I love ketchup. Got some Marrow Whip, which I hate. And down in the coolers, we got some ice cold Mike's lemonade. We got some
Spicy clamato and regular clamato.
Clamato Caesar.
Caesar, not seizure.
I don't care. Okay, and then we got some squeezing melons. Where does it say?
Okay, that's fine.
Squeezing melons vodka. It's a beast. Looks like an energy drink for like Monster or something.
We've
got salad.
Some pickles and
which I hate olives. I hate olives. And we got our cold cuts.
Steak.
We got our milk. Hot dog buns. Fruitopia.
Street meat.
And then we got some butter, which we could make butter armor out of. You know, Minecraft butter, yeah.
Butter armor? What's butter armor?
It's gold armor, but everyone calls it butter. Just gonna put it everywhere in there. And P.S. All of this beer and stuff is for 2 days. It's for a day. Yeah. Pretty shocking. I can't even close it now, Mom. It won't close. Okay, and yeah. That is...
You want some strawberries?
What's in our fridge? Peace!
Well, on vacation. Because not every day do we do this.
Nope. No, we don't.
Okay, Dev, you're